Hey, welcome back. I'm Steve French. Today on Wood and Stuff, we're going to make this curious kinetic desk toy swinging rope tetherball thing. Yeah, let's get right to it. I drew up a set of plans for this project. You can download them for free following the links in this video's description. Let us start by making the base. The base consists of two pieces, each dadoed so they fit together in a cross half-lap type of a joint. We need to drill two holes in our pivot block. That's the part right here. We need a 1/4 inch hole at the narrow end, and it's going to go all the way through. Then at the wider end, we'll make a 7/16 hole that goes only about halfway into the material. On the prototype, the counterbalance is a hardwood drawer pull. In this case, though, I'll make the counterweight out of 3/4 inch pine, and it's cut out with a 1.5 inch hole saw, which has a 1/4 inch center bore. I'll drill almost all the way through from one side. I'll then turn it over and complete the cut. Now the weight needs to be about 6.5 grams. The wrapping post is 11 inches long, and it can be made from a 1/8 inch dowel, straight steel wire, or in this case, I use these bamboo shish kebab skewers. I look through, I find the straightest ones and the ones without a lot of burrs and flat spots and areas where the string can possibly catch. Trim the sharp end off at 11 inches. Let's sand it really lightly with the grain. On the end that we just clipped, let's glue a 3/4 inch ball into which I've drilled a 1/8 inch hole at a depth of 3/8. Now I'm going to wax it a little bit, that it's less likely that the string will snag on it. It doesn't take a whole lot, and that's just a candle. Okay? And here's all of our wooden parts. Luckily for you, you only need one of each. Let's start by gluing the base together. Next, glue the support rod into the hole on the base. Let's take 2 rubber bands that are 3 inches long by 1/8 wide and just link them together just like this. Take our small eye screw and screw it into the hole that is started on the base. Hook our rubber band to the eye screw in the same way that the rubber bands are connected to each other. Slip the counterbalance onto the end of the swing arm. Do not glue it in place. Use the wax and coat around the hole on the top side of the pivot block. Okay, and the same thing on the bottom side of the pivot ball. And now, let's feed the rubber band through that small hole on the pivot block. And then through our ball, the waxed side is going on first. And our swing arm through the loop there. Let's pull our ball and block against the swing arm. And then it sits on top of the support rod. No glue is used here. It's got to be left free so it can come off. That way you can change the rubber band. Just the rod so that the spring is coming out of the bottom. And so our ball lands inside of the hole on the base. Wind up the rubber band by rotating the swing arm clockwise a bunch of times. And that's all there is to it. So until next time, get out into your shop, make something cool, and thanks for watching.